So I'm just gonna make this video because it's raining really hard outside, and it's really scaring me because it's like attacking my window, and I want to make a video to show everyone how scared I am of rain. So I've got my blanket, a new green blanket my mum bought me today. So I've got my blanket because it's fucking cold. How about the camera done? I have my blanket and I'm really I can't get my no, damn it. I got my teddy. But I'm really scared of the rain more than I noticed. So if you just listen for it, you know you ought to hear it. Might look really bad today. Of course, as soon as I start my video, it stops. But I'm gonna tell everyone about my day today. Can you hear that? Oh god, I'm so scared. I'm terrified of the cold weather. So this is what's happening on a rainy day. Yeah. So that's all I wanted to show you guys. Was to tell you that I'm absolutely fucking terrified of the rain. And I'm hoping to God, I look terrible. I'm hoping to God that it does not thunder or lightning because I'll shit bricks. I'm really worried. I'm really worried. Alright, well I'm gonna leave you with this video and I'll make a new one very soon. Probably about the rain in the morning. Okay, love you.